Hello guys, and welcome to this short tutorial on how to set up Blender 2.8 navigation style just like Maya. Okay, let's go to Edit, Preferences, open the preferences of the program. Now, Blender 2.8 come with three presets actually. Blender, which is the default one, inside the key map. If I go all side, okay, here I have Blender. This is the old versions of Blender, and this is the industry compatible. If I select that, now I have the navigation style of Maya, but I will lose all the handy shortcuts of Blender, which is very handy. I cannot grab, use the G key or the tab, which is going to the sub mode, edit mode. Okay, so going back to the preferences, I will select the Blender, the default Blender, which I need all the shortcuts, the handy shortcuts of Blender. It's very amazing. Okay, I need all the shortcuts of Blender, but I need to change just the navigation style. So I will go to inside 3D view. Okay, inside the 3D view, Blender key map, first preset, 3D view. Okay, 3D view global. Now I scroll down until you see something called rotate view, which is rotating your scene. Tick that on your mouse and press Alt and left click. Now I have the first one. Second one is panning, just like your hand scene. Okay, the pan, tick that, okay, and hit Alt and middle mouse. I have the pan. Third thing is the zoom or dolly. Well, actually, they are kind of the same thing, but the zoom is zooming your focal length of your camera. The dolly is actually moving your camera for your object inside the scene. I will stick with the dolly, okay? Select the dolly, take that and press Alt and right click on your mouse. Now I have the navigation style of Maya. The last thing I want to do is framing. You have the F keyboard shortcut inside Maya, which is framing on the objects. It's the same, I believe, in Unity and Unreal. Framing on the object. So it's for Blender, it's view selected. They have two shortcuts, view selected and view selected. They have control numpad dot and numpad dot, which is on your numpad keyboard. You have a dot. Okay, I will use this one, the long one, control, take that and press F on your keyboard. Now I have the framing capabilities. Now if I go back and hit F, I can frame any objects in your scene. You can frame. Okay, now the second one is useful. Let me show you. The second one is this, the dot, numpad dot. I will keep that. Why? Because I can use that in edit mode. If I go edit, okay, if I want to frame, if I press the F, I will lose a handy shortcut, which is the fill object. Actually, let me show you. If I subdivide here, okay, let me subdivide and delete a face. Now Blender 2.8 has a unique shortcut, which is filling two edges, selecting two edges and press F on the keyboard. It will fill that gap. Okay, so I will lose that, and it's very handy. So I will keep that option. It's just the dot, numpad dot. If I need the framing is just the dot on your keyboard. Okay, and that's it. That's all the things. And lastly, you go to the navigation. Make sure the orbit view, which is how you orbit your scene, is on turntable, not trackball. Trust me, it will flip your mind. Make sure it's turntable, and then zoom axis. Also make it horizontal. The zooming axis is, look to the mouse. If I go horizontal, I will zoom. If I go vertical, if I go to vertical, actually I make it vertical. So I keep it that as a horizontal. The key map actually can be saved. Okay, it can be actually saved. Okay, I can save. Sorry, not save. It actually can be imported and can be saved. I can export that, which I believe it's a Python file. You can save that to anywhere and go with that. Okay, you can import then and export it if you want to share it with anyone. Okay, that's it. So if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I will happy to answer them. So bye bye.